The global camera market is hitting a massive breaking point, and if you are currently looking to buy a new mirrorless system, you need to freeze exactly what you are doing right now. For more than half a decade, a bizarre pattern emerged in the digital imaging industry that left creators, commercial filmmakers, and studio photographers completely baffled. Major tech manufacturers intentionally skipped the number 4 in their hybrid flagship lineups, causing widespread speculation about superstitions and naming conventions. But a series of highly confidential leaks from premium distribution chains has blown the doors wide open on Canon's most heavily guarded secret weapon. Welcome back to Tap Tech, your ultimate source for high-end hardware roadmaps and early spec breakthroughs. Today, we are strapping in for an exclusive, authentic deep dive into the newly exposed master plan from Tokyo, the highly anticipated, absolute powerhouse known as the Canon EOS R4. This machine is not just another incremental update designed to sit quietly in a retail catalog. It is a calculated, aggressive strategy specifically engineered to target and dismantle the competition's dominance in the ultra-high-resolution hybrid market. Industry insiders have tracked early hardware registration codes and physical sensor benchmarks that prove Canon has engineered an absolute monster. The core of this system completely rewrites what photographers and cinema directors think is possible from a standard full-frame body. For the past several seasons, professionals had to make a painful compromise. If you wanted extreme resolution for massive commercial prints, high-end fashion shoots, or aggressive cropping, you had to settle for slower sensor readout speeds, significant rolling shutter artifacts, and limited video frame rates. If you wanted hyper-fast burst shooting and elite video processing, you had to drop your resolution down to 24 or 30 megapixels. The newly leaked architecture of the EOS R4 shatters that barrier by introducing a jaw-dropping 60.3 megapixel stacked backside-illuminated CMOS sensor. This is a massive generational leap forward in silicon design. Because this sensor utilizes a stacked architecture, the circuit layer is physically separated from the light-gathering photodiodes, allowing for almost instantaneous data readout speeds. But the sensor resolution is only the first layer of this technical marvel. For studio professionals demanding absolute perfection, the internal firmware unlocks a high-resolution pixel shift upscaling mode that leverages the camera's cutting-edge in-body image stabilization system. By shifting the sensor by microscopic fractions of a pixel between consecutive shots, the camera captures full-color information at every single pixel location, combining the data into a mind-boggling 240-megapixel ultra-high-definition file. Handling that astronomical level of visual data requires unprecedented processing power, and that is where the newly upgraded dual-processor array comes into play. The system pairs Canon's established high-speed digital imaging engine with a brand-new, dedicated coprocessor built strictly to handle real-time artificial intelligence algorithms. This architecture drives the next-generation action priority predictive autofocus system. Traditional autofocus systems rely heavily on pattern recognition, tracking eyes, faces, or vehicles based on shapes that enter the frame. The new AI engine moves far beyond simple tracking. It analyzes human physics, body joint positions, and momentum in real time to actively predict where the subject will move next, even before they take a step or change direction. If a basketball player goes up for a shot and is temporarily blocked by a defender's arm, the camera does not lose focus or hunt across the background. It calculates the player's vector, maintains pin-sharp focus on the primary subject through the obstruction, and locks onto the eye the exact millisecond it reappears. Furthermore, this intelligence integrates directly with a completely redesigned eye control tracking system embedded inside the electronic viewfinder. For creators who remember the early iterations of this technology, the version built into this platform is a radical upgrade. Utilizing an array of infrared sensors inside a massive, bright 9 million dot electronic viewfinder, the system tracks your pupil with flawless precision, even if you wear glasses or contact lenses. Selecting a focus point no longer requires fumbling with a joystick or tapping a touchscreen while trying to track a moving subject. While the photography specifications are enough to reset the industry standards, The video capabilities leaked from premium market distributors are what will truly cause sleepless nights over at rival tech corporations. The camera is engineered to record internal full-frame 8K 60 frames per second raw video directly to the memory cards without a crop factor. This is not a stripped-down, highly compressed video mode included merely to check a box on a marketing sheet. It is a beautiful, deeply rich, 10-bit 4:2:2 color space data stream that gives colorists and editors massive flexibility in post-production. Historically, whenever a manufacturer fits high-resolution sensors and heavy video pipelines into a compact, weather-sealed mirrorless body, a severe thermal problem emerges. Overheating limits have been the bane of content creators for years, often cutting shoots short or forcing operators to carry multiple backup bodies. Canon's engineering team addressed this head-on by developing a revolutionary internal thermal management system that utilizes space-age graphene cooling pads. Graphene possesses a thermal conductivity rate that is vastly superior to traditional copper or aluminum heat sinks. To sustain this immense pipeline of imagery and cinema-grade video, the physical body features dual high-speed CF Express Type B card slots. This choice is critical because standard SD cards simply do not possess the sustained write speeds necessary to handle 8K raw data streams or 20 frame per second mechanical burst tracking. The dual slots can be configured for instant real-time backup, separating RAW and JPEG workflows, or seamlessly rolling over to the second card when the first hits capacity. Audiophiles will also celebrate the addition of completely isolated analog audio preamp circuits within the body. According to global supply chain leaks and distributor roadmaps, this hybrid powerhouse is slated for an official late autumn global release, with a projected retail price point targeting approximately $4,799 for the U.S. and international premium markets. While that price reflects a serious investment, the sheer volume of high-end technology crammed into a single, versatile body makes it an incredibly lucrative asset for working professionals who need to future-proof their creative businesses for the next decade. It effectively bridges the gap between the ultra-high resolution of dedicated studio systems and the blazing speed of flagship cinema rigs. We want to hear your perspective on this massive industry shakeup. Will this state-of-the-art 60-megapixel stacked powerhouse convince you to upgrade your current kit? Or are you holding out to see how the competition responds to this hardware paradigm shift? Drop your thoughts, gear strategies, and predictions in the comment section down below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve with the most accurate, unfiltered tech leaks, hardware breakdowns, and supply chain insights before anyone else, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching Tap Tech. Keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity, and we will see you in the very next breakdown.